Well, hey, everybody. I want to share with you today why option selling is going to be your ticket to build wealth in 2025. This is your year to learn option selling, and I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why you need to utilize option selling in order to build wealth this year and for years to come. First thing I want you to know is the big boys are the ones who are option sellers and they're option writers, right? Warren Buffett is an option seller. He does cash secure puts where he sells a put at a price at which he's willing to buy shares of a stock lower than what it's currently at, and he acquires shares of companies at lower rates or lower prices than they are selling for at the time he enters the trades. Listen, option writing or selling is what the big money boys and the big money girls are doing, because it's not only boys that's doing big money, it's also girls. Even though we always say, big money folks are doing option selling. All right, that was my first reason, and the big money folks are doing it. Second reason is time decay is your friend. One thing that's going to pass no matter what we do is the time. It's going to keep on, time keeps on slipping. It's going to keep slipping no matter what we do. Maybe the price will go up. Maybe the price will go down. Maybe the price will sit still. We don't always know. We can look at the charts and see what we think it's going to do, but time decay is going to happen either way. As an option seller, time decay is your friend. It's on your side. It's called theta. Theta decay will eat away at your premiums. Well, as sellers, we sell high and we buy low, or buy when it's worthless. And we keep the premiums that we make when we enter these trades. That's why option selling is a good way to do. You leverage your collateral, take in premiums. You don't have to pay to play. You take in your premiums and you let the time just keep on slipping, so that way you can keep the money that you received. Third reason, strategies are not hard to learn. The strategies that I share with you, selling cash secure puts, selling covered calls, doing credit spreads, these are all seller strategies that are not hard to learn, not at all. Very straightforward, don't require a lot of watching, don't require a lot of management. I call cash secure puts a no-lose strategy, because at the end of it, you're either going to acquire shares that you want, or you're going to keep the premiums. Well, if you keep the shares, you're going to keep the premiums and get the shares, or you're just going to keep the premiums. Either way, you're going to get something out of the deal. How many of us have traded options and we bought options and it went to zero, and the money you paid, you got absolutely nothing out of it? It went to nothing. And you're like, I didn't even leave this with a hello, howdy doody, right? Not with option selling. You're going to leave the cash secure puts trade with something. I'm leaving here with something. All right. The fourth reason why you should learn option selling in order to build your wealth is because it's consistent income. And it comes without a lot of watching and without a lot of risk, right? You know exactly how much you're risking. You know exactly how much you're making, and you know exactly how much you're risking. You also know exactly how much probability of success you have. Is there an 80% probability of success? Is there a 50% probability of success? So this helps you to determine which trade do you want to take. Maybe you're more aggressive. I'm a little bit aggressive. I like to go with like 70% probability of success. That's because it gives more premiums. But when when I'm trading SPX, I don't fool up with SPX at 70%. No ma'am, no ham. I will use 90% when I'm working with SPX. But I can utilize the option chain to determine for myself what do I want as far as risk goes, right? I can pick a strike I like, let the time decay like I was talking about, and keep the premiums that they gave me when I entered the trade. When you're a seller, they give you the money right away. You get the money. As soon as you enter the trade, they give you the money. You can go buy something else with it if you want. You can go buy options contracts, or you can go buy shares with it. It's up to you. It's your money. They give it to you right away. The last reason why I believe learning option selling for 2025 is the thing that you want to be doing to build wealth is because you can leverage small accounts. A lot of times when we're starting as traders and we don't necessarily have a whole lot of money to start with. And you want to be able to start though. So you can start with a small account. You can do credit spreads with as little as $50 when you're operating as a seller. That's a seller's trade, is credit spreads. You can do cash secure puts. Cash secure puts can be done on $5, $6 stocks on up, and you can use that collateral for those. You can do covered calls. Maybe you already own 100 shares of something and you just want to do a covered call and make premiums off of that. All three of those strategies are seller strategies. Very straightforward. Time decay works for you. And again, this is the strategy. These are the strategies that the big folks, the big money folks, are using in order to make their money and to grow their accounts. They take your money out of the bank and go put it on some selling strategies, and then they give you a little piece of it. Right? They only give you a little piece. That's not what we're after over in these pods. We're trying to build our own wealth over here. Okay. So I just mentioned covered calls, cash secure puts, and credit spreads. All three of those strategies can be found in my training resources at educator2trader.com. You can go over there and avail yourselves of the training. And in addition to that, if you are not a DIY, maybe you don't like to do it yourself. If you don't want to follow the videos on your own, you can join our membership. We have an Option Seller Zone membership where we do all these same strategies every single day, and we hold hands along the way. We trade together. We trade as a group. You get all the assistance and all the support that you need over there. And you can also register and get into the membership at educator2trader.com. Alrighty, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell and pass the word. You can follow me on all social media. I am Arlissa, Educator2Trader. All right, bye.